To replace your press, you'll need cutting pliers, a hose clamp and an Allen key. The press is supplied, equipped with its sensors and its cable harness. All operations must be carried out by habilitated persons. Start by placing a pizza box under the press. It will prevent it from falling out during dismantling. You must now lower the press. Press the system button, then move. Unlock the safety button. It must not be released during the entire procedure. Lower the press. Open the switchboard door. Shut down D12 to operate safely. Above the press, free the cable by cutting the hose clamp. Then remove the connector from the press. Unscrew the movable lugs on both sides of the fixed anchor press. Remove the press to be replaced. Place the new press on the pizza box. It will enable you to be at the right height for installation. Screw the movable lugs back on either side of the press. Connect the cable harness. Then immobilize it with a hose clamp. Put D12 back up.